Hey guys, welcome to Dio's Garage. What we have here is some tires we're going to test today. What we're going to do is going to weigh each one, get some tire measurements. We have some Traxxas Maxx. These are the stock tires that come on the Traxxas Maxx. These are some Proline tires that we just got in, some Badlands. These are low profile tires. Got some Scorpions. These are PowerHobby Scorpions. I can tell these are pretty heavy. We got Dboots Backflips. And we got Trencher X's. These are the big balloon tires for them. They have some low profile tires that I haven't tried. If anybody knows, just let me know and I'll try some of those. Alright, so let's get started. And the first thing we're going to do is weigh the stock Traxxas tire. I'm going to put this on here. And I have it in grams. I can get it to stay on the tire. It's 231.1 grams. Okay, that's pretty light. Alright, now we're going to try the Badlands. It's pretty light. 241 grams. So it's only 10 more grams than the stock tires. So it's pretty light. Alright, I know these are heavy. 354.6 grams. The Scorpions are pretty heavy. And we're going to try the backflips. almost 360 grams. So those are pretty heavy too. And the trenchers. This big thing. And they are a hefty 431 grams. Still moving. 431. So those are pretty heavy. So what we got here. Okay, here we are. We have a measurement for the stock Traxxas tires. And what you see is 5.453 inches. I'll change that to millimeters. And that is 138.52 millimeters. I'll put it back on inch. And now we're going to try out these tires, the Badlands. We're going to get a measurement for the Badlands. So what I'm going to do is pick my calipers up, bring them over to the Badlands, and I need to spread it out here. And that's on the thread to thread. So we have 5.855 inches. I'm going to change that to millimeters. And it's almost 150 millimeters. So I got them on the tread. A little bit under the tread. So it's about 150 millimeters. Okay. Let's see if I need a little bit more. Okay, so they're comparable. The Badlands is just a little bit bigger. You can see the width of them. They're about the same width. So they're comparable, and they shouldn't put too much strain on the Max or a smaller vehicle. But let's see what and you can see down the line, the backflip isn't much wider, but it is a good bit heavier, and it's a little bit wider. Let's see how wide it is. Oh, I got a 6-inch caliper, and it's a little bit over 6 inches. So I'm thinking probably 6.25, 6.5 inch. I'll switch that to millimeters, and it's at least 160 millimeters. Okay, we got the Scorpions. They are 5.5 inches, so they're pretty heavy, but they are not too tall, and that's 140 millimeters. And I know these trenchers are probably the same as the backflips, at least 160 millimeters. over 6 inches, 6.5 inches probably. Alright, that was our tire test for today. Thanks.